10 Most Deadly Creatures in the Philippines. The Philippines is home to an array of wildlife, some of which are deadly. It is a beautiful country, and its creatures play a vital role in maintaining its diverse ecosystem. While some of these animals are fascinating, it is essential to understand their danger and take caution when encountering them. In this video, we will explore the 10 most deadly creatures in the Philippines. 10. Scorpions are common in the Philippines and are found in various sizes and colors. While most scorpions are not fatal to humans, the sting can be extremely painful and cause allergic reactions. The most dangerous species of scorpion in the Philippines is the Heterometrus spinifer, commonly known as the giant black scorpion. 9. The box jellyfish is one of the most venomous creatures in the world and is found in the waters surrounding the Philippines. Its sting is incredibly painful and can cause heart failure and death in just a few minutes. The box jellyfish is responsible for several deaths in the country each year. 8. Centipedes are found in various parts of the Philippines and are known for their venomous bites. The bite can cause severe pain, swelling, and even paralysis. The most dangerous species of centipede in the Philippines is the Scolopendra subspinipes, which can grow up to 10 inches long. 7. The stonefish is a well-camouflaged fish found in the shallow waters of the Philippines. Its venomous spines can cause extreme pain, shock, and even death. The stonefish is one of the deadliest fish in the world, and its venom can cause tissue necrosis, and even paralysis. 6. The sea snakes found in the Philippines are incredibly venomous and can cause paralysis and death. While sea snakes are typically non-aggressive, they will defend themselves if they feel threatened. The most dangerous species of sea snake in the Philippines is the Hydrophis belcheri, which has venom that can kill a human in just a few hours. 5. The freshwater crocodile is the largest living reptile and is found in various parts of the Philippines. It is a highly aggressive predator and can kill humans with ease. Freshwater crocodiles have been responsible for several deaths in the Philippines, and their attacks are often sudden and unprovoked. 4. The Philippine cobra is one of the deadliest snakes in the world, and is native to the Philippines. Its venom can cause respiratory failure, paralysis, and death. The Philippine cobra is also incredibly aggressive, and its venom can cause death within 30 minutes. 3. The redback spider is one of the most venomous spiders in the world and is found in the Philippines. Its venom can cause severe pain, nausea, and even death. The redback spider is highly venomous and can be fatal to children, the elderly, and those with weakened immune systems. 2. Mosquitoes are responsible for more deaths than any other creature in the Philippines. They transmit a range of deadly diseases, including dengue fever, malaria, and the Zika virus. Mosquitoes are prevalent in the Philippines, and it is crucial to take precautions to avoid being bitten. 1. The saltwater crocodile is the deadliest creature in the Philippines. It is an apex predator and can kill humans with ease. Saltwater crocodiles have been responsible for several deaths in the Philippines, and their attacks are often sudden and unprovoked. It is essential to avoid swimming in areas where saltwater crocodiles are known to live. Share your thoughts and spread the word by sharing and liking the video.